5 seconds to go. Start. The wife of the deceased had stated that the deceased had accompanied his brother-in-law, co-accused Kishan Lal, who had taken an insurance policy in the name of the deceased, and that it was Kishan Lal who had committed the murder with the help of his friends to obtain the proceeds of the insurance policy. After recording the above submission of the first respondent, the High Court enlarged the first respondent on bail by its order dated 7th November 2019. The order of the High Court reads thus: the present criminal appeal under section 14A(2) of the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act has been filed in connection with FIR number 116 of 2018, registered at Police Station Kishangarh, District Ajmer, for the offences under sections 302 and 201 of IPC and 325 of SC/ST Act. Counsel for the appellant submits that the appellant has been falsely implicated in this matter. Counsel further submits that the wife of the deceased, Srimati Aram Devi, PW2, in her statement recorded during trial, had stated that the deceased went with her brother, co-accused Kishan Lal, who he has taken insurance policy in the name of her husband, and he also purchased the trailer on being financed in the name of her husband, and for taking amount of insurance policy Kishan Lal committed murder of her husband with the help of his friends. Counsel further submits that no allegation has been levelled by her in the statement against the appellant, and the appellant is behind the bars since 11th June 2018. Learned Public Prosecutor has opposed the appeal, keeping in view the facts and circumstances of the case. It would be just and expedient to order the release of the appellant on bail. The order dated 25th September 2019, passed by the Learned Special Judge, SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Cases, Ajmer, is quashed and set aside, and this appeal is accordingly allowed, and it is directed that accused appellant Satya Narayan, son of Shri Sohan Das, shall be released on bail provided he furnishes a personal bond in the sum of rupees 50,000 together with two sureties in the sum of rupees 25,000 each to the satisfaction of the learned trial court, with the stipulation that he shall appear before that court and any court to which the matter is transferred on all subsequent dates of hearing, and as and when called upon to do so. The appellant moved the High Court under section 439(2) of CRPC by cancellation of bail. In the meantime, another single judge of the High Court, by an order dated 29th January 2021, rejected the application for bail filed by three co-accused Kaluram, Kishan Lal and Chaman Lal. The petitioner for cancellation of bail before the High Court was moved principally on the ground that no notice was issued to the appellant under subsection 3 of Section 15A of the SC/ST Act. Resultingly, no opportunity to be heard was provided under subsection 5 of Section 15A. The single judge who had admitted the first respondent to bail on 7th November 2019 rejected the application on the ground that since the appellant was being heard in the application for cancelling bail, the requirements of subsections 3 and 5 of section 150A were complied with. The High Court observed, so far as compliance of section 15A 3(5) of SC/ST is concerned, this court today heard counsel for the complainant petitioner again on merits, thereby requirement of issuing notice to the complainant petitioner victim as provided under section 15A 3(5) of the SC/ST Act is being complied with. The order dated 7th November 2019 was passed by this court after considering the statement of PW2 Srimati Aram Devi, wife of the deceased. Therefore, I see no reason for recalling of the order dated 7th November 2019. As much this criminal miscellaneous bail cancellation application is hereby dismissed. We have heard Mr. Ajit Kumar Thakur, learned counsel in support of the appeal. Mr. Manish Sharma, learned counsel, has appeared on behalf of the first respondent, while Mr. Chaitanya Singh, learned counsel, has appeared on behalf of the state of Rajasthan. On behalf of the appellant, it has been submitted that stop.